Hello guys, it is Slayer back, and if you didn't already know, Madden Mobile 16 the season is going to end. So what I'm going to be doing is basically going to sell my players. I already got some pictures with my squad and everything. So basically, I think everyone is selling all their players to just maybe get one more pack opening in. But that's what I'm going to do, because it ends in 4 days, and I don't really need a good team. So right now, we're just going to go and put in the worst guys possible. And break our awesome team, which would be kind of sad, but I mean, it's going to be good. So, already down to a 77, 75, 72, 70, 69, 66, 63, 61. We'll sell our defense first, and then we'll do everything else. So we got a lot of leads, guys, over this year. It's been a great year. Sad that it's ending, but we're gonna have a new start, and I have no idea how much you sell for, so I'm just gonna put up, now I have to search up every single player. I spelled it wrong. Alan. Just do. Clear a whole bench, guys. guys, here are all of my auctions up. So see Daniel. That was quick. But whatever. So yeah. I'm just gonna be selling all these players just to get like one huge pack opening. So yeah, guys. I don't know what to do now. Apparently, we're just gonna have to go through every single card. I did take a picture of my lineup, but yeah, goodness. I feel bad for the people who have like a 99 overall. Well, here we go, guys. Best lineup. Here we go, guys. Wow. All these players being sold. Really weird. Alright, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching. The big pack opening is going to be coming soon. So I'll see you guys when that happens. So, peace.